Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you download CapCut Pro for free. So actually other people think that there's no way on how to download CapCut Pro for free. But what I'm going to show you right now is pretty simple. All you have to do is to go to any web browser and then type download CapCut for free. Tap this one. And then once you have downloaded, then run as administrator or install this to your device or to your computer. Once done, what you're going to do is to open or launch this CapCut basic version. So this is my CapCut, and if you wanted to, use CapCut for free, I mean CapCut Pro to be exact, then all you have to do is to click to this invite your friends or invite friends. Once you tap this, as you can see, invite friends to get free pro, then you will have or you will see the instruction right here. As you can see, you will both get a 7-day free pro. You can get up to 7 days of free pro by inviting 10 friends. So no credit card required, no auto renewal. You just have to sign in. You have to make sure that you're logged into your account. And then after that, copy invite link and then share this to your friend and make sure that they have clicked this link and then downloaded the basic version of the CapCut. So once your friend tap this link and download CapCut, then you will get a 7-day free pro. So the more friends, of course, you can get up to 7 days of free pro by inviting at least 10 friends. So in short, you can enjoy this CapCut Pro by just inviting your friends. So don't forget to copy this link and then share this to your friends in order for you to get or enjoy CapCut Pro for free. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.